What's the meaning of congregational? Congregational. Congregational.
Congregational. Congregational. Congregational refers to a form of Christian church governance whereby the power and authority rests primarily with the congregation, rather than with a hierarchical structure or individual leaders. This means that decisions about worship practices, church policies, and the election of leaders are made by members of the congregation. In practice, this often results in a relatively democratic and decentralized form of church leadership, where individual congregations have a high degree of autonomy. The congregational model has been influential in many Protestant denominations, particularly in North America.